You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 793,471,250. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 34,500 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 23,000 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 793,471,250.